Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Khumalo. Here's how to start on your house hunting journey. House hunting can be such a daunting journey. Here are some tips that can make it a bit easier for you. Firstly, define your budget and location. Understanding how much you can afford, but also where you want to live, is an important step in your house hunting journey. Secondly, use online resources. There are different websites you can go to that can help you scale down your search. Thirdly, sign up for property alerts. These will inform you every time there's a new property in the area or prices have been reduced. Next, you want to create a shortlist. This will help you compare the different properties that you have identified. And lastly, compare and review. Scale down your shortlist from maybe 10, 5 to the top 3, and then organize to go visit those properties again. Of course, remember to have fun while house hunting. For more tips and advice on all things property, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.